Okay. Now look at this one. This is one of your questions. Here, in these questions, first of all, just find out the main topics. Even you can mark it, the pencil or the mark that particular points. Here they uses the dark color, the bold font when it is dark and someone stands on the doormat outside, which means the door, the lamp outside front door comes on automatically, which means on. So the on criteria, they mention that if it is dark and someone stands on the doormat, the both should be true. Then only the lamp will be switched on. So therefore, let's see a pressure sensor under the mat. So let's see the A is pressure sensor. So then the B is light sensor. The C is a switch, on-off switch. Okay. Then for a user to manually switch off this one. The output, is there any the terms that they used? No. So therefore you can leave that one, no problem. So let's see. Here the ABC is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all. Okay. Now 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, let's see. Let's look at this one. A pressure sensor under the mat changes from off to on. So now someone is stand on the doormat. That status will be changed off to on, which means someone is inside, someone is outside. Okay. Now look at this carefully. I can the pressure sensor A. Outside, the pressure is there, is 1, not off. Okay. So the second one, then look at this, the A pressure 1 for the pressure is there, and if it is not, then the 0 is there. So look at this off. The off is indicating 0, on is indicating 1. So the second one, the B part. What is the B is telling? The light sensor. The light sensor means what? B is on when it is the light, when it is light, and off when it is dark. So here look at this. The light sensor is working right. If the light is there outside, the light is on. If it is dark, the light sensor is indicating 0. Look at this carefully. There is an on-off switch C for a user manually switch off the system. So C means switch. So let's see, for a user manually switch off the system, consider the switching off process as a okay. If the switch off, look at this carefully, of 0. Here, no, the switch off means 1. You understand? Switch off means 1. Switch on means 0. Here, this is a problem. Okay, so that's why in these type of questions, when you read, you must read carefully and underline the important points. Okay, my dear students, let's see. So in this area here, this is our the summarized item. So here, when it is dark, so the dark means what? Here, look at this. The B is the light sensor. The light sensor is 0. If the light sensor is 0, in meantime, the doormat pressure. If the pressure means doormat 1. If the light sensor is 0, the doormat 1 means that will be the output is light, the bulb, outside bulb. Clear? So what is the criteria they mentioned? When it is dark and someone stands on the doormat. So here the light dark means 0. Dark means 0. B is 0. The dark means 0 here. These are the area. Fine. But the door mentioned A is pressure 1. Pressure 1 here. This is pressure 1. This is pressure 1. And yeah, except these two, the rest of them are 0. Let's check other points also. According to the first line, the bold letters, it is mentioned that when it is dark, this is the dark area, then one is the pressure area. This is the dark area, pressure area. Okay, fine. So is there any criteria are there? Let's see. There is an on-off switch only. Based on the following condition, the lamp is in off state. Another areas also there. Anytime user manually switch off the system, lamp always 0. So manually switch off the system. Look at this one. Manually switch off means 1. So then this must be 0. You understand, my dear student? Okay. Here, this is the critical area. So these are the very important part. So you should underline this one. Otherwise, it will be a problem. If you do not indicate these items, these points, you can't understand this exact question. So here the first one. When it is not dark, lamp always 0. So when it is not dark, means that this area. No problem. So this is always 0. You understand? So only except one area, the rest of them are zeros. Why? Because of the lamp outside a front door comes on automatically when it is dark. When someone stands on the doormat outside the front door. So therefore, according to that scenario, according to that the phrase, we can take only this area. So the dark, and this one is pressure, and this is 0. Why? Because the 0 means switch on. You understand? Fine. So then the fourth bullet says, based on the following conditions, the lamp is in off state. Anytime user manually switch off the system, lamp 0. When it is not dark, lamp 0. So therefore, according to this scenario, this is your truth table. Then the second item, you must write the sum of product. The last line says, prepare the truth table that represent the scenario and write the standard sum of product that represent the above requirement. Okay. Is this clear, my dear students? Any questions you can ask? Huh? Okay. Now look at this. The first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So the third one is here. A plus B plus C bar. The fourth one, A plus B bar plus C bar. So here the answer is C bar, C bar, C bar and B, and the A is the answer. For the second one, this line. So A, B bar, C, and second A, B bar, C bar, and this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So A, B bar, C bar. For this one, A bar, B bar, C, and A bar, B bar, C bar. So then only the B bar is, except the B bar, other all are cut. Okay. So the A dot B bar, and another option is there here, the two options. Number one, A bar, B bar, and a C bar. And third one, A bar, B, and C bar. So then got A bar plus, these are plus, this is a 0, first answer. So A bar plus C bar. So this is the answer. You understand? So this is the answer of this first. You understand? Is this clear? Any problem? Do you have any other problem? Please send you a message or WhatsApp, or even you can contact through the classroom. No problem at all. If you have any other issues, please let me know. I can explain it. Okay, so these are the options that we learned up to now. You know how to do the post Carnot map and how to simplify the Carnot map so into the sub or the post, and even how to fill the this one diagrams, the truth tables, and from the truth table you know how to draw the diagram. So these are the lessons that we already learned up to now. If you have any other problems, so please contact me. So now